Hello guys and welcome to the thrilling world of 8-ball pool, where every shot holds the promise of victory and excitement. But what if I told you there's a secret you can use to download the Cheto Aim pool for free that costs $50? With Cheto Aim, precision becomes your turning every shot into a stroke of genius. Get ready to revolutionize your gameplay, dominate the pool table. Watch the video until the end, and I will share with you how to download Cheto Aim now and unleash your full potential. And get ready to elevate your game today. Okay everyone, I'm going to finish this round, and afterward, I'll share a complete tutorial with all the details. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to appvovo.com. Once you're there, you'll see the dashboard of the website. Now, let's focus on finding Cheto Aim. Just use the search bar to look it up. Here we are. This is the download page for Cheto Aim Pool. It should take about 3 minutes to download, depending on your internet speed. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you were able to download it in your phone. That's all for now, guys. Stay tuned for more tricks coming your way soon. See you later.